Good day, viewers. Pwalpar here. I'm in the kitchen being a little bit nosy. And Terry Mary's got a ham in the oven. She's heating up our black-eyed peas that we cooked today early. We haven't ate any of them yet. And our collards, both seasoned with hog jowl. It's New Year's Day. I thought I'd try some of this sliced pork jowl in the air fryer. Got 4 slices in there. We're going to just take a guess on how long to cook it. Let's see, 10 minutes. Let's make it wide open, 400. See how that comes out. Alright, it's been 3 or 4 minutes. This hog jowl has a skin on it, so it's curling up. I'll flip it over and see if that'll make it curl the other direction. One thing I would have preferred if this bacon would have been a little thinner, but we're going to cook it anyway. Been cooking about 10 minutes. I think I want it a little dunner. You could eat it like that. I'm going to flip it over one more time. Cook it a little longer. I'm going to cook it dunner than that. You could eat it kind of halfway raw, but it's not done yet. Smells good. Got one piece took out to cool. Doesn't look too done, but we're going to eat some anyway. The others are still cooking. Cooked my toast just a little too down. The first piece I cooked could have stand to be cooked just a little more, but it's got a great taste. The first piece that I took out early, I've been eating on it. Like I say, it's pretty good, but the skin is hard. But you got some teeth. That makes some good munching. If you got some good teeth, I should say. Now I'm going to take out the other ones that I left cooking. Let's see how they came out. Yeah, these are well done. I'll get Contrary Mary to try it. Bon appetit. Don't that look good? For my second piece this morning, I'm going to cook my toast, not quite so done. I'm going to cut that piece of skin off. Like I say, that would make some excellent munching. Let's do it.